Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best sheet sander that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best sheet sander. Also known as an orbital sander. Don't get confused with random orbital sander. A sheet sander is designed to work with partial sheets of standard sandpapers. Since it accepts standard sandpapers, sheet sanders are useful as well as inexpensive for sanding or smoothing wood, metal, and other materials. This guide will help you find the best sheet sander for you. Number 5. Pro Tools Wales Random Orbital Sander 4125A. Random orbit motion plus rotation ensure the finest finish with high sanding performance. Main features: aluminum base 125mm. Rated input power 500 watts. Rated voltage 220 to 230 volts. Number 4. ISC Electric Sander 90 by 187mm Square Sanding Grinding Machine. It has a beefy motor that is adept in delivering uniform and smooth results on all surfaces. This tool incorporates low vibration engineering for user comfort. Main features: spindle switch and soft grip. Speed 12,000 RPM. Easy to use. Number 3. Bosch Professional Orbital Sheet Sander. The range is designed for preparatory sanding works. This 220 watts tool offers multiple grip options for tradesmen, woodworkers and painters along. Main features: high compatibility of carbon brush, low vibration and low weight, ergonomic design. Number 2. Stanley STS-S025 Sheet Sander Yellow and Black. This engineering tool also features a large dust bag. This dust bag functions to ensure less mess when the user is sanding. This can help in maintaining a cleaner work area. Main features: speed for faster material removal, powerful 220 watts motor, rubber grip. Number 1. Black Plus Decker KA401 1/4 220 watt sheet sander. It's a safe bet that Stanley has the right tool for the job, designing and improving our products to ensure quality and maximum function. Main features: soft rubber grip, palm grip design, power 220 watt. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.